Hey guys, Ryan here at MetalWorks. Going to go over a chassis package that's wrapping up right now for our customer's 56 Nomad. Tell you a little bit about it, why we select these parts, and see if we can put a package or help you with your project as well. So this one here is a GM Performance LS3, 495 horsepower LS3, backed by a GM Performance transmission. All GM electronics on this one to run that motor package as well. Wilwood brakes all the way around, 6 piston in the front, 4 piston electric parking brake in the back. Just a combination that we've found to work really well, stops good, and a lot of the times it is a brake sized appropriate for the tire and wheel combination that you're going to run as well. Rick stainless tank with the single point return GM pump in there. Really nice in the sense that you only have to run one fuel line to the front of the motor, no need for a return at all. Here we can see the electronic parking brake on the back. We really like these because it cleans up, takes care of all the parking brake cables, nothing underneath the car anymore. Nice button functionality, easy to set. Art Morrison 9-inch in the back, their housing with a Curry center section is what we select on those. This one's running a 370 to pair well with that automatic in the LS. Give you a good cruising RPM going down the road. Getting the optimum mileage that it could be, still making good power and great drivability. These chassis do ship on the mock-up bars there. You'll see in place of the coilovers. Does have a bar that sets that at ride height. So this is an engineered ride height from Art Morrison. The coilovers are bolted in once the car is more complete, but this allows you to build the car at the ride height that the chassis is engineered for and set up. That way, during the build process, you know where it's going to sit with the wheels and tires. Here you can see it on the Forgeline wheels that we selected with this customer. He went with the OE1s. That's going to get the factory 56 cap. Also motor paired out with the Holley mid-mount accessory drive. We really like this accessory drive because of its simplicity and kind of OEM appeal. Also serviceability. If you ever had to do a water pump, it makes water pump stuff really simple. GM electronics, again, when we do a combination, we plug all that in, get it ready for the customer. Again, Forgeline OE1 wheels spec'd out for this car. Gonna give it a really clean look. Custom color match the two-tone or the center of the wheel to what the customer's two-tone of the car is going to be. So something we can work with you on as well. If you had a project that needed special wheel coatings or anything, we can take care of that. But this is going to be a chassis that will go under his car, give him great driving, great handling experience, and the utmost reliability. Something that we can put our name on and trust that it's not going to give the customer any problems, and really a combination that we got figured out and can do for you as well.